In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your brother printer that is printing the blank pages. If we are not using the printer from long time, sometimes the ink get clogged. To fix that, first we have to switch on the printer control panel and click on the setting icon. Scroll down, click on the journal setup, maintenance, print head cleaning, press OK. If you think the black color is not working, you can select black only. If the color is not working, then you can select the color. If all of the inks are not showing up, then you can click on the all. So right now I'm just click on the black only because I was trying to print on the black. Select the first option, normal. If you use the strong option, it will waste a lot of ink. So click on the normal. And to start the setup, just press this button. So this will take some time, just wait. Cleaning is complete. Let's print the page. So click on this button and click again. Make sure you have installed the paper for the printing. So this will print the nozzle check sheet. If everything is okay, that means printer is working and we don't need any more cleaning. Go to the printer control panel. Just confirm here that everything is okay. Press number 1. If you think like the ink is not clear, just select the right option and then it will recommend the next cleaning. So that's complete. Go back. Thanks for watching.